common question I receive is, should we replace our carpet before we sell? Well, put it this way, it's essential to present your home in its best possible light. Soiled, damaged, or outdated carpets can be a significant turnoff, creating a real negative first impression that might overshadow your home's positive aspects. First impressions are crucial in real estate sales. When it comes to the return on investment, new carpets are a wise decision. On average, sellers can see 100, maybe 105% return. This means you're likely to recover the cost and may even make a profit, while also potentially speeding up the sale process. If you decide against replacing these damaged or outdated carpets, be prepared for risks. Buyers tend to lower their offers to compensate for the cost of replacing the old carpets, often subtracting way more than the actual replacement costs. Homes with worn out or outdated features, including these carpets, may take longer to sell. Buyers prefer move-in ready properties. While updates require investment, strategic improvements like replacing the carpet can offer substantial returns through a higher sales price and a quicker sale.